Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what is arguably the best stage piano Kawai has ever made, the Kawai MP11-SE. If you're a serious pianist looking for a digital stage piano that delivers the closest thing to a grand piano experience, stay with us for the next few minutes. This one's going to impress. Let's start with the heart of this instrument, the action. The MP11-SE uses Kawai's grand feel wooden keyboard action. These aren't your average plastic keys. Each key is made from long, solid wood pieces that pivot on a seesaw mechanism, just like in a real grand piano. You feel the natural weight and response, and yes, there's even let-off simulation for that authentic resistance near the bottom of the keystroke. It's one of the most expressive actions you'll ever find in a digital instrument. But a great action is nothing without great sound, and this piano delivers. The MP11-SE uses Kawai's Harmonic Imaging XL sound engine. That means meticulously sampled 88-key stereo recordings from the Shigeru Kawai SKX and X Concert Grand, with extra long samples for more natural decay and resonance. The detail in the tone is breathtaking, especially when you use headphones or run it through studio monitors. Every note blooms with character and depth. It's expressive, dynamic, and incredibly realistic. The layout and interface are what you'd expect from a professional stage instrument, focused and efficient. The MP11-SE separates control over piano, electric piano, and sub-sounds into 3 independent sections, each with dedicated faders and effects. It's a dream for live performers who want tactile control without digging through menus mid-performance. The monochrome display is simple but functional, and navigation is fast and intuitive once you get used to the layout. Speaking of sounds, beyond the acoustic pianos, you get a suite of high-quality electric pianos, clavs, pads, and more. The Rhodes and Wurlitzer emulations have a fantastic bite and warmth, and the effects section lets you tailor them with phasers, chorus, tremolo, and amp sims that feel authentic. While it's not overflowing with hundreds of presets, what's here is curated for quality, no fluff, just pro sounds. The chassis is built like a tank, rock-solid metal frame, wooden side panels, and premium materials throughout. It feels like a studio-grade instrument, not a toy or a portable keyboard. It's designed for serious players who care more about quality and less about portability. Another standout: the triple pedal unit. This is no plastic add-on, it's the same grand feel pedal system found in Kawai's high-end consoles, giving you proper damper, soft, and sostenuto pedals with accurate half-pedaling and resistance. It's rare to find this level of pedal realism in a stage piano, and it makes a real difference, especially for classical and jazz players. One thing to note: this isn't an all-in-one keyboard workstation. There's no onboard sequencer, no fancy light shows, and limited MIDI zoning. It's not trying to be everything. It's a pianist's piano, laser-focused on authentic playability and sound. And in that regard, it's hard to beat. If you're a professional pianist, studio musician, or serious hobbyist who demands uncompromising piano action and sound, this is your instrument. Yes, it's a premium product with a premium price, and no, it won't ship to every country by default. But for those who can get their hands on it, the MP11-SE is a top-tier digital piano experience that rivals, and in some ways, even surpasses, real acoustic grand in consistency, control, and flexibility. That's our deep dive on the Kawai MP11-SE, a masterclass in digital piano craftsmanship. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. For more honest, no-fluff gear reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.